My name is Brittany Wiley. I'm the production manager here at Old Pro.
Hello, my name's Rustin Reagan. I'm with Old Pro Roofing.
My name is Seth Grizzle with Old Pro Roofing.
Hey guys, David here.
Hey, I'm Tyler with Old Pro Roofing.
Mike Bransom.
I'm Jen Dodson.
This is Clint Russell with Old Pro Roofing.
Hi, this is Brandy Mosby with Old Pro Roofing.
Hey, my name is Ryan. I'm a roofing consultant with Old Pro Roofing.
Hi, my name's Joe.
Hi, my name's Christy Purvis.
Hey, I'm Brent Prunty with Old Pro Roofing.
Hello, my name's Tony Casebeer. I just want to thank you for trusting your home to Old Pro Roofing.
We'd just like to thank everybody for the opportunity to serve you and our community.
We want to thank our many customers.
We just want to thank all our customers.
And I would just like to thank all of my customers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for trusting your home to an Old Pro.
Thank you to every homeowner that allowed us to come and help you this year with your storm damage.
Thank you for trusting your home to an Old Pro.
Thank y'all for trusting your home to an Old Pro.
We love your support, and we'd like to thank you for trusting your home to an Old Pro.
Hi, my name's Corey Aiken, owner and operations manager for Old Pro Roofing. On behalf of the entire Old Pro team, I'd like to thank all of our customers for the last 15 years, and thank you for trusting your homes and businesses to an Old Pro.